everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Dear friends, as we know that we have discussed about our academy in the previous video, and I asked so many questions from Said bro, and today once again we are here to talk about our international language, our internet language, and our scientific language, which is English language. And today here I will ask some questions about the importance of English language and how can we improve our English, and what are the steps or what are the tips to increase our vocabulary and English speaking. So let's begin without any delay this conversation. So first of all, I would like to say welcome to Said bro to my YouTube channel, and he will tell you some points and he will share his golden ideas with you people about the communication skills of English language, or how to improve our English, or how to improve our English grammar. So welcome.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to thank you for coming here and for giving your precious time. If you would like to ask me some questions about English language, about the importance of English language, so you may.
So first of all, you just tell me how can we, you may say, what is the importance of English language?
Yeah, first of all, English is widely considered a global language, and its importance cannot be overstated. Now, here are some reasons why English is important in our daily world. There are many reasons which cannot be counted, and I can't tell all those, but some of them I will share you. Number one, like global communications. English is the primary language which is used in international, which is used in business and science, technology and entertainment. And the second, education. The language means English plays a vital role in education system, in our education. Like in education, it is the language and which makes of instructions in many universities, and strong command for club.
Yes. Okay, you just told some point about the global communication, education, importance of English in science and research, and you also told some points about the internet and technology. So just tell me, if someone asks you that how can we improve our English, so what would be your answer?
Yeah, by improving the language, there are so various ways, and it depends on individual.
Yes.
How can he improve his or her speaking or the language?
Yes.
Now I would like to tell you some tips that helps you to improve your speaking and listening, means the language. By reading, the first one, by reading newspapers, magazines, articles and
Good.
books.
Yes.
These kind of reading can help you and improves your English.
Yes.
Another kind, listening and watching the videos with subtitle also help in your language.
Of course, yes.
And some are, you may say that communications, if someone would like to improve her or his speaking, or means the language, so by writing, by communicate with others, you can improve your speaking and listening.
Yes. So as you told me that told the viewers that by reading and by newspaper reading, or books reading, or magazines, or articles. You may say that by listening or by watching movies, and to write something by writing or by communicating, you can or someone can improve his
Yeah,
English.
yeah.
Okay, so that's great. That's really
As I
great.
told some sticks the importance of English. If we talk about the examinations all over the world,
Competitive
all
exams
the
mean
competitive exams
are
are taken in
yes,
English
yes,
language.
of course.
And if we say the internet, especially means internet and technology based on English. If
That's really
someone
good.
knows means English the language, so he can use his internet easily and he can understand, he can make himself understand or herself understand by means through internet. And through internet, like we are having such a kinds of apps, we can discuss, we can communicate with others, those Englishmen and native speakers, we can
Yes, yes.
we can communicate with others with them. So it's also important, and by these communications we can improve our speaking.
It means you just told some point that by something, by reading, by listening, by communicating. It
Sure.
means is it possible through the mobile?
Yeah, you may use means just open the mobile, so the language which is downloaded here means the computer language or any kind of mobile language is also English.
But nowadays, people just use mobile for TikTok, for Instagram, or for Twitter, or something, which are useless things.
Yeah, if
you may
we
say they are useless
yes,
things.
these
But
these
people
kind of
don't use.
activities, are useless. If we say that using mobile depends on individual, on
That's true.
someone,
Yes.
means whether you use it positively or negatively. There are many positive ways and there are many negative impacts of mobile. Means you can use mobile by your if you have any kind of difficulty, you can search in Google. It helps you in your study
Yes,
and education.
good.
So this is the advantage of mobile. And if you just use your waste your time, means the mobile can prove, it may prove that by mobile your time is wasted. And
yes,
like
good.
you just we are looking the children, especially the new generation, uses the mobile just in negative way, like they waste their time in mobile using the TikTok, like such a kinds of apps are there. So these are means these are meaningless for them.
Thank you for giving me your precious time.
Yeah,
We
welcome,
discussed.
welcome.
We discussed so many
I
things
need
about.
I need such a partner like you, and I hope that inshallah in next time you will come and you will communicate with me so that the viewers listen and they take advantage from our communications.
So